In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the easy anti-cheat not installed error on Steam games. All you need to do is follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Open the Steam application. Go to Library. Find the game that's showing the error. Right-click on the game. Select Manage. Then click Browse Local Files. Open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Find easyanticheat_setup.exe. Right-click on the file. Click Show More Options. Then select Create Shortcut. Now right-click the shortcut you just created. Click Properties. In the target box, go to the end of the text. Press the space key once. Then type Install prod.fn. Click Apply. Then click OK. Now right-click the shortcut again. Select Run as Administrator. This will automatically install Easy Anti-Cheat. If the problem is still not fixed, go back to Steam. Right-click the game. Select Properties. Open the Installed Files tab. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait until the verification reaches 100%. Then launch the game again. The error should now be fixed. If you're still getting this error, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to help you. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more easy guides. Thank you for watching.